Hi guys, and welcome back. So your independent practice today with Le Chatelier's principle is going to be taking a look at a virtual lab. The instructions are there for you in that Google Doc. When you open it, it'll ask you to make a copy, and you can just type all your answers there. Also, this website is going to be linked below, so you can just click on it and navigate straight there. So if you just follow the lab through, it'll take you through your introduction, and it'll just give you some background information as well. And you kind of go through all of this, and you continue on, and you read through all of this stuff. And then it says continue with Le Chatelier's principle. It gives you some background information you're just going to read through. And then you are going to, it's going to bring you here. It has these charts that you're going to fill in. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just kind of click on the bottom to continue, and it shows you how temperature and pressure can affect equilibrium rates. But basically, what you're going to do when you go to the experiment, this is the part that I wanted to show you. You're not doing all of these experiments. I think it's just 1, 3, 4, and 5. So I just wanted to show this to you because it's not exactly user-friendly, I don't think. So when you click on 1, it tells you to click on certain parameters and then like record what you see and say what you think is happening. So I think like a lot of well, logically you would think, oh, I'll add the heat and see what happens, like drag it over and add it to the test tube, but that's not what you're supposed to do. So if you just click on the heat, so it'll show you your before, so like your substance before and then after exposure to heat. So you just have to click on the little icons to show you. And then like the little ice bath, that's what happens when it's exposed to cold. And then this is what happens if you add water. And if you pay attention, water is one of the reactants, so we should be shifting to the right? So this is kind of what we're looking at, right? You're going to look to see what happens to the experimental test tubes as you click through these different things. So that's all it is. I just really wanted to show you this portion, and this is how you actually get to the results. So instead of being in the lab and like adding the chemicals to the tube yourself, somebody else has already done this. You're just going through and clicking in the parameters and following the lab. So that's that. I just thought that would help in case you were struggling a little bit with it. But if you have any more questions, of course, you can always reach out and ask. So good luck, and I hope you guys all have a great day.